alloy-bodied 1953 Jaguar XK120 on Bring a Trailer improves on the original. This stunning restoration is a head-turner. Here's a traditional Jaguar sporting experience with all the right bits. With a bored-out engine and Le Mans spec tune, it's set to pounce. The alloy body makes it more than 100 pounds lighter than a steel body XK120 would be. Jaguar's current rebranding and repositioning in the market has certainly drawn the ire of ardent fans of the brand. Not to worry, chaps and chapettes, simply flip through the back catalog. Choose your favorite blast from the past, and bag that Jag. Or, alternatively, you can build your own essential Jaguar driving experience by assembling some of the company's greatest hits together. Such is the case with this 1953 XK120 for sale on Bring a Trailer, which, like Car and Driver, is part of Hearst Autos. It sports an alloy body and some very tasty modifications. The XK120 hails from a time when Jaguars still thundered around Le Mans. Its name a flex about how fast the car could actually go. This one's far quicker than stock, thanks to a breathed-on inline-six and a lightweight alloy body. Upon its launch in 1948, the aluminum-bodied XK120 was the fastest production car in the world. It was also drop-dead gorgeous, and it soon became the preferred runabout for well-to-do folks with a craving for speed. The first production car went to none other than Clark Gable. This car does come with a numbers-matching engine but has been considerably reworked over the past 5 years. Originally delivered into Los Angeles, it now wears an replacement alloy body and fantastic light green metallic paintwork that contrasts well with the custom tan leather interior. Under the hood, the 3.4-liter inline-six has been bored out to 3.8 liters and fitted with a cylinder head from a C-type. Built to later D-type specifications with triple SU carburetors. Part of the appeal of the XK120 is that you were getting a road car that wasn't far off in power and speed from the Le Mans cars. And while power output isn't listed here, this thing should go like a scalded cat. Many people will hold up the E-Type as the apogee of Jaguar design. But the more you look at the details on this XK120, the better it gets. The windshield is subtly cut down rather than fitted with Brooklyn-style folding glass. There's custom-fitted luggage, and the interior boasts Heuer stopwatches. Even the toolkit, lined in green plaid, is a miniature artwork. The complete lack of roof means you won't want to drive this XK120 when the weather turns English. But apart from that, it is a deftly executed tribute to traditional Jaguar character. Pop on your tweed jacket and flat cap, slot that 5-speed manual gearbox into first, and then prod that straight 6 from pert to yowl. Not for nothing is the traditional Jaguar hood ornament called a leaper.